We are going to learn about the module vegetable oil sources. That is, we are going to learn about soybean, coconut and mustard. In this module, you all will learn the sources of vegetable oils, that is soybean, coconut and mustard. You will learn the identification and description of soybean, coconut and mustard. You will learn the cultivation of soybean, coconut and mustard, and you all will learn the uses of soybean, coconut and mustard. At the end of this module, you will be able to recall the various sources of vegetable oils. You will be able to outline the botanical description of soybean, coconut and mustard. You will be able to describe the cultivation practices of soybean, coconut and mustard, and you will be able to list the uses of soybean, coconut and mustard. Now the vegetable oil sources, the different vegetable oil sources are the sesame, groundnut, soybean, coconut, mustard, olive, corn and sunflower. So first we'll study about the soybean as a source of vegetable oils. The scientific name of soybean is Glycine max. It belongs to family Fabaceae and it is known as a wonder bean because of its numerous uses, and it is commonly called as soya bean. Now this is the plant habit. These are the leaves. These are the pods which bear the seeds. The pod is long, which contains around 3 to 4 seeds per pod. These are the soybean seeds. Now we have two forms, the yellow seeded forms which have a higher oil content but are low in proteins, and we have the black seeded varieties which are richer in protein but have a lower percentage of oil. Now this soybean is the dominant oil seed produced in the world due to its favorable agronomic characters and high protein quality. It can grow in any condition, therefore it is one of the most dominant oil seeds. It contributes over half of all the oil seeds. Now United States is the leading producer. Now these seeds contain calcium, iron, vitamin B, vitamins like vitamin B. Then the chief form of protein present in the seeds is globulin, which has glycine, and it makes up to 80 to 90% of the total seed protein. Then it has the glycosides like genistein and diazine. Now the cultivation practices. It is a subtropical plant and it grows in regions with hot, damp summer weathers. Soybean is propagated through seeds and harvested using combines. This is the soybean oil, which is light yellow in color, which is very commonly used in our kitchens to fry fish, meat, and in various cooking preparations. It's a valuable edible oil. Now the fatty acid composition of this oil is oleic, linoleic, palmitic, stearic and linolenic acid. These are the packets of soybean oil which are available in the market. Then the uses of soybean oil, it is used for edible purposes like it is used as a cooking oil, salad oil. It is used in margarines, mayonnaise, shortening, salad dressing, packing canned fish. Industrially, soybean oil is used in the manufacture of soaps, glycerin, printing inks, greases, lubricants, waterproofing material, oilcloth, linoleum, putty, resins, insecticides, disinfectants and leather dressings. Okay, next is the coconut. As you all are very aware of coconut, the scientific name is Cocos nucifera. It belongs to family Ericaceae and it is known as tree of heaven, that is Kalpavriksha, because each and every part of the coconut has been useful. Now it is a tree with a inclined trunk which has leaf scars. At the top it bears 20 to 30 parapinnate leaves. Then it has the inflorescence is a spadix which is covered with a spathe. It is one of the nature's greatest gift to mankind and India ranks third in copra production. Indonesia is the leading producer of coconut. Now if you see the coconut fruit, it is a fibrous drupe. This is a section of the coconut fruit. This is this brownish boundary is the exocarp, which is green when young, but when it matures it turns brown. Then this is the mesocarp, which constitutes the coir. Then this is the endocarp and this is the endosperm. The endosperm is used to prepare various preparations. It is used Once it is dried, it is used in oil production. Now inside the seed is hollow. It contains coconut milk, and the endocarp also has these 3 eyes, okay, and which has a closely attached brown testa. Now the cultivation practices. This plant is widely grown in coastal and deltaic regions of the tropical and subtropical countries, and coconut requires plenty of sunlight. Now coconut is propagated through seeds and harvested by hand picking the fruit. Now this is the copra, that is the dried coconut, okay, which is used in oil production. Now this is the coconut oil. Now below 24 degrees Celsius it appears as a white solid, whereas above 24 degrees Celsius it is a transparent or very light yellow liquid. Now dried kernel, that is the copra, is used for oil production. Now the fatty acid composition of coconut is lauric, which constitute 50% myristic, palmitic, caprylic and capric acid. Now uses of coconut oil. In edible purposes, it is used in cooking and preparation of margarines. In industrially, it is used to make soap. Now the soap prepared from coconut, it lathers freely in hard water as well, that is hard water which contains salt water, because it has very high saponification value due to very high content of lauric and myristic acids. Now the oil is also used in the manufacture of lubricants, detergent, cosmetics, rubber, synthetic resin, candles, hydraulic brakes fluid for aeroplanes. Then the next is the mustard. The scientific name is Brassica juncea. Mustard is a source of vegetable oil. Now it is commonly called as the brown mustard or the Indian mustard. Family is Brassicaceae, and India is the leading producer. Now this is the plant of mustard. It is a small herb. It bears leaves and it bears yellow color flowers. Now if you see the characteristics of this flower is it has a cruciferous plant, that is it has 4 petals and 4 sepals, okay, they appear like a cross. Now this is the pod of mustard, which is called a silicula, okay, it is a thin pod and it bears numerous seeds. Now the cultivation practices. Now it grows mostly in temperate climates. Also it is grown in subtropical and tropical countries as a winter crop, so it requires a cooler climate. Mustard is propagated through seeds and it is harvested manually. Now these are the mustard seeds which are brown in color. Now they contain this glycoside cinegrin and they contain the fatty acid composition of this is erucic, that is 40 to 50% of the seeds is made up of erucic acid. It also contains oleic and linoleic acid. Now uses of mustard oil. It is used for edible purpose. It is used as a cooking oil in our kitchens, and it is used as salad oils in margarines, greasing loaves of bread. Industrially it is used to prepare greases, lubricants, soft soap, synthetic rubber. Then the erucic acid fraction is used in lubricating jet engines, manufacture of plastics. It is also used to impart a soft pliable texture to skins, hides during the tanning process, and the inferior grades are used as an illuminant and cutting oil. So students, today in this module we studied about soybean, coconut and mustard as sources of vegetable oils. They are very important and they are very commonly used and they have various uses. These are my references. These are my additional references. Thank you.